Hey guys, everybody told me that I could pick my FUYU while it's still firm. It's pretty and red looking, orange looking. So, we'll see if it comes off. Let's twist it. I want to mess the tree up. There we go. Alright. We're going to take it in, let it ripen another day or two, and try it. Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda, and today we're going to just be chilling, and I'm going to show you this beautiful persimmon. Now, I'm used to the old-timey persimmons that have to get soft, and then you eat them because they're so astringent that they just pull your mouth and you wish you hadn't touched them. We have the little bitty persimmons all over the place. The animals are eating them now, and we planted this as it says it's a FUYU, but I've had several people say it's not a FUYU, so I don't know. I don't know the difference in them, but we're going to take and test this one. And everybody was telling me you just eat it like you would an apple, and if it draws my mouth up, I'm blaming people that told me I could eat it. So, it does have a little bit of an astringent taste. I can taste it on the side. Yeah, most definitely. For those that are telling me it won't dry your mouth, it does dry it out. It's not tangy. It has a touch of sweet taste, but still it's drying my whole mouth out. So, it looks good. It probably should have stayed on the tree and should have ripened a few more days, but I took it before the animals got it. So, FUYU, not necessarily my favorite fruit, just saying. The only way I really like persimmons is if I take and make a persimmon pie or persimmon pudding or something like that. They are awesome. So, I'm using Toccino. Now, I haven't opened the pumpkin spice yet. We're going to talk about that in a minute. I'm washing it down, guys. Okay, so the battery died and we had to do all that. But FUYU persimmons, not my favorite fruit. I can eat it, but would rather have pies or persimmon pie, persimmon cake, persimmon something with it. And I do like the big old juicy ones. This one is not juicy, it is firm. Okay, the Toccino, I had to drink some of this just to chill it down. Now, I've been talking about Toccino, and people want to know what is Toccino. It is a non or no caffeine drink. They have many flavors, and they just sent me the newest pumpkin spice. They sent a sample pack last month for my birthday, and it was awesome. I thought it was great. This is perfect for anybody that does not need caffeine. And I can drink this at night and turn around and go to bed. It has it's golden roasted almonds and savory nuttiness to actuate the dark robust body of carob, barley, and chicory, with slight sweetness from dates and figs to enhance satisfaction. You can drink this as a coffee, hot, or you can make it an iced coffee. Either way, you can add this to desserts. You can also add it to your smoothies. Because it is basically mainly organic materials in here, and it's not coffee ground up, okay? It is fruits and nuts and stuff. It's very vegan, friendly, the whole 9 yards. The pumpkin spice is perfect. Like, you build a fire and you have your s'mores going and all this. You got pumpkin spice. What they did do is they sent 2 recipes. One is for a latte with pumpkin spice, where you add about a teaspoon of this to your latte. Awesome. Then the other one is for muffins, and you add some of this to your muffins to give it the spice. So you can use it in your cooking, and everything. I think that's awesome. So Toccino, there's a link in the description below, and my favorite of all times is the vanilla nut. So anybody that likes vanilla, try the vanilla nut. Also, this is my quick crescent apple pie. I'm going to show you a few clips here where you know what I did, but I took crescent rolls, rolled it with one piece of an apple. I took one apple, cut it in 8 pieces, and there's 8 crescent rolls. I put brown sugar down, just about less than maybe half a teaspoon of brown sugar per each crescent roll. I put the apple sliced down, and I put a slab of cream cheese and rolled it up, put it in my pan, and poured half a cup of half a cup of apple juice over the top and baked it. It is wonderful. Now, there's a wide variety of ways you can use this. I used a fresh apple this time because I had it. I have canned apples. You can take and put canned apples in the middle and roll it up. You can take and put your jellies or your jams, any kind of jams and jellies you have, and roll it up. Pouring over the top, you could, like I used apple juice, you could use apple juice on any of those. But if you had any fruit juices that you wanted to pour over the top, is fine. Some people use Sprite. You can pour Sprite across the top if you wanted to. Another variation of it is you roll it in chicken. You take and put chicken in the middle, roll it up, pour a mixture of cream of chicken soup and chicken broth mixed together, kind of thick, and pour over the top, and just let it ooze into it and cook it, and you have quick dumplings. It is awesome. My mom used to make that all the time. Okay, other thing, right quick. Winners for this week for the Croctober extravaganza. I told you every week I would take names and send my holiday recipes cookbook. It's an ebook. You have to download it to 2 people. This week I'm doing 3 people. I put 3 videos up, so I took somebody from all 3 videos, and I got to have my cheat sheet here. So these 3 people have to send me an email, and that way I have your email. I will send you back a link, and you have to download it. It's not something I print off. It's something you will have to download into your computer. And it has 10 or 12 holiday recipes that I like here at Deep South. One winner, Denise Donaldson. Denise, contact me at deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com. All right, the second person on the second video is Sheila Taylor. Sheila sent me an email. The third person on the third video was GRS Art of Worship Ministries. So all 3 of you send me an email, and I will send you back a download of my holiday recipes. Now, the Croctober extravaganza has been going on. This is day 10. It's been awesome. There's great recipes. Only if you're in the Facebook group can you click on a link there and go to the giveaways that they do every week for this Croctober extravaganza. You have to be in the Facebook group for that giveaway. I'm doing these giveaways for my groups that are here on Crazy Days and on Deep South. The video on the 21st will be on Deep South Homestead. It will be a crock pot Deep South something. And the reason I say that is Wanda's still thinking. Everybody's covered so many subjects with the crock pot till there's not much left. So Wanda's got a few ideas up her sleeve, and we're going to try those. You 3, let me know with an email. If you're in the Facebook group for Croctober extravaganza, click the link. You might win a crock pot. Last week we had somebody win a crock pot. This week they're giving away another one. Next week, I'm not sure if it's a crock pot, Instapot, I'm not sure what it is, but it's one of something similar. In the group, so many people are getting to know each other as far as friends. They're learning each other. They're sharing recipes like crazy. I mean, people are flipping the recipes. Like if Amanda put up, that is Amanda from the Fundamental Home, it is the Bills now. She's changed the name. But she put up lasagna, and then people tell you their variations of how they did it. So you not only get Amanda's video, you get other people telling you how they flip it. You know, you get Lisa from Sutton Days did a goulash, and then you have people telling you how they flipped her goulash with what they had on hand, and it is awesome. So guys, I just wanted a quick video so you know I'm still around. The storm did not bother us. We had maybe 1.5 inches of rain. Last night we got maybe a half an inch of rain. About 2 days ago we got 3/4 of an inch of rain, so no rain here. The wind got pretty tough during the night, and it blew good yesterday, which was awesome working days. So we've been just chilling. Danny's been to the ER this week. It's thrown everything off kilter for me, and I'm trying to play catch up. Danny will be fine. His heart just stayed out of rhythm like 4 hours, and it's back, so we'll just be watching it. We'll be headed to a cardiologist soon, and just see where it goes from there. But keep us in your prayers. As always, we enjoy you guys. Stay with us. We're going to have more recipes. I've got several crock pot recipes, and my video is probably going to have 3 different crock pot recipes in one video, just because. So talk to you later. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.